Premium Glass and Tint. My name is Tony Grant. I'm Premium Leads. We spoke on the phone a few days ago, and I told you I'd send you the screencast. So here I'm going to keep it short, sweet. I just want to go over how I get your website ranked. I send a screencast like this to a bunch of people with a bunch of free information, people who are business owners, and oftentimes they want to email afterwards to see what I do. I just want to go through your site really quickly. I'm going to go to one of your competitors' sites, and I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use it free to start to bring in more traffic to your site. So your landing page, it's a good-looking site. Obviously, spend time and money doing this, putting this up. It's easy to navigate. However, I do notice that there's not a lot of content. The content is just words, verbiage, number of words. We're going to be ranking your website based on around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words on this homepage. I did a word count of your front homepage, and what I get is 468 words. So we would definitely want to add in some more content on there. We also want to make sure the content is quality educational content. Google's going to send out their bots, crawl through your site, and determine whether or not this content will help Google's users. So over here, I've popped into Google, and we see what's going on here with the way it's organized is typically above the map right there. You're going to see Google ads that are here or none. The map contains 3 businesses. Those 3 businesses down below the map that Google has chosen based on a bunch of factors. But one of the factors that's extremely important is getting on that map pack, which is very beneficial, especially nowadays as people are using their phones more. One of the items that they need a lot of is citations. A citation is when your business is listed as in an online directory. So Yelp pages, and Yext are all good examples of online directories that people use and trust a lot. You want to be on more directories than these 3 businesses are here. So now I scroll down, and we're taking you down to what they call the organic search results. It's below the maps, below the ads, below all that stuff, and it's just what you get when you type in your words. This should be your main area of focus. It's going to be your best long-term ROI. Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, you're going to click on one of these organic search results, and they're almost always going to click on one of the words at the top of the page. So one of the things that, in addition to doing good content, in order to rank organically, you need to have a lot of high-powered and relevant backlinks. A backlink is a clickable text on a website that when somebody clicks on it, it leads back to your website. Basically, like a shout out. So I'm going to one of my favorite tools called Ahrefs, and it has the backlinks on their page. As you can see, they have a domain rating of 0, which is 0 out of 100. Could prove 76 backlinks. But if you come down here and look at what the top backlinks are where they're coming from. They're coming from Sacramento, their own site. Basically, these are all these backlinks are coming from their own site. And you see, notice down here they have some no-follow ones already. No-follow ones don't give you any points because that means the company or the site that's implemented this no-follow link requires that you go to their site to link to what they're linking to. So it's just kind of, you have to be careful with that stuff too. Okay, one of the things I've done here, the last things I'm doing, is we've come up to back to your site, and we've done a backlink overview here. And domain rating is 0.1, better than 0, but it's still, remember, out of 100. And you've got 836 backlinks. Again, they're all from Premium Glass and Tint. Every single one of those here at the top from you guys. And again, we've come up with the no-follow ones. You can imagine how difficult it is to control this stuff. So what I'd like to do now is just to recap, just go over what we talked about here. And So to see what we talked about, one, add more content. Make sure it has location-specific buyer intent keywords. Number two, more citations to get you ranked on MapPack. Three, more high-powered relevant backlinks. All of these are doable. All of these are doable right away. If you're interested, you can contact us at Devour, Devour, at feedmeleads.org. Thanks so much.